Hey everyone. So some feedback we've received about our pragmatic drag and drop examples is that they can be pretty complex. There's a lot going on. And they've been designed to be sort of like production ready kind of examples. But that can be pretty tricky for people who are just looking to get started with a library. So this is that list example here. And you see it's got a lot of other dependencies being pulled in to do things like this drop down menu, right? Which if you're not using Atlas Kit components for other things, it's like, well, how do I just see the pragmatic drag and drop stuff? And also we're using Emotion.js for styling in this example, whereas, other people who are using other styling solutions and we've got our own kind of flavor on that here. How can I use it without this sort of styling solution? So what I've done is I've created another example standalone one, which is using React again, but this one uses TailwindCSS for styling. So it's super straightforward. So there's no emotion in there, no kind of other Atlas Kit dependencies. It's using Vite. It's powered by that. It's using some other package for icons, which I can't remember right now. Where was it? Lucide React. Yes, that's what it's using for that icon. But yeah, otherwise it is just a standalone example that just has drag and drop sort of there on a list using Tailwind. I've also worked on StackBlitz. There's a link on the repo to do this as well, so you can kind of poke around at the code. What's I think probably of a special interest to people will be the drop indicator. So we have a drop indicator package with pragmatic drag and drop, but that is tied to Emotion. So if you're not using Emotion and you want to use that little line, it's like, well, you can't. You either have to pull in Emotion or you have to start again. So this is an implementation of it in Tailwind. So this is using all Tailwind CSS stuff. And yeah, so you can use that same drop indicator if you want to. I mean, you could always use whatever drop indication language you want, but if you wanted to use this particular one, there is now a Tailwind variant of that for you to copy paste. All right, bye.